Litecoin was created by an ex-Google employee, Charlie Lee, in 2011. The idea behind the creation of Litecoin was to offer a more miner-friendly cryptocurrency, practically one that the average user can mine without top-of-the-line hardware. Hello Brainiacs, welcome to yet another episode of this channel. So today, we will be discussing Litecoin future price predictions and Litecoin versus Bitcoin. Without further ado, let us get into the video. So to understand what Litecoin is, let us start with the legend, Bitcoin. Comparing these two will give you a better perspective on both. Litecoin is very similar to Bitcoin. Just like Bitcoin, it is built on the same code and can be used to make payments. The most significant advantage that Litecoin offers over Bitcoin is speed. Did you know Litecoin is called the Litecoin because it is almost 4 times faster than Bitcoin? Think of Litecoin as the operating system update that you receive on your smartphone. Just like how an update aims to improve your smartphone issues, Litecoin aims to fix some of the problems with Bitcoin. Technically, all other cryptocurrencies have tried it or are trying to do it, but most of them did not succeed. Maybe we can say Litecoin came very close to achieving it. Another critical difference between BTC and Litecoin is the total number of coins that exist. Only a maximum of 21 million Bitcoins can be created, whereas the maximum number of Litecoins is 85 million. Litecoin is in the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap, giving it added value and long-term value. That is part of the reason why LTC price predictions can go so high. You could mine Litecoin with a regular computer by adding a few graphical processing units or GPU. So, if you decide you want to own Litecoin but do not wish to buy it on an exchange, you could try mining it, and the process is comparatively easy. Therefore, Litecoin is accessible to more people than Bitcoin. This is the reason why Litecoin is often referred to as the silver of cryptocurrency, and Bitcoin is referred to as the gold. Now that you understand some of the significant differences between BTC and Litecoin, let us get into the video's central part, the future price prediction. For that, let us look into how the price of Litecoin performed in the past. Litecoin remained below $100 for the first half of its lifespan. However, in late 2017, the price hit $70 and then jumped to almost $400 by year's end in the overall bull run. Since then, the asset has fallen hard down to the $100 area, though it jumped up toward $160 mid-2019 before falling back down. Well, it's not a particularly fruitful investment when considering the year-over-year value, but Litecoin has performed relatively well compared to most other cryptocurrencies. You can see the historical price trend of Litecoin in the graph here. Litecoin has shown vast growth within a couple of years, making it one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies by percentage growth. Litecoin also has a high trading volume. This means more and more people are selling and buying Litecoin in the cryptocurrency market, making Litecoin 4th in trading volume, just after Ethereum. Litecoin also had the strongest year in 2019 during its halving by rising 600% that year before crashing back down to retest its bear market bottom. In the early days of 2020, Litecoin began to lead the market again, causing many to wonder why the cryptocurrency is going up when the rest of the market is stagnant. Another 140% rally to kick off the new year. Crypto investors and traders interested in Litecoin are asking questions like, will Litecoin go up in value? How high will Litecoin go? And will Litecoin ever reach $1,000 per LTC? In 2021, Litecoin has set its first higher high since its all-time high price record was established in 2017. A higher high after a higher low is the definition of an uptrend. Since the peak was put in during 2021, Litecoin began to pull back, but appears to be retesting recent resistance turned support. We have some predictions, collected from different sources, to give the future price predictions of Litecoin a more nuanced understanding. Number 1. Long forecast prediction. Long Forecast, a group that uses mathematical and statistical indicators to predict investment long-term performance, has a relatively optimistic Litecoin prediction over the next couple of years. First off, the platform claims Litecoin will end 2020 at around $121. From there, it will range from $140 down to $91 in 2021, dropping significantly from the year's start. However, while it will remain around $90 and even the $80 for the most of 2022, the platform predicts a steep drop to the $40 and $50 in 2023. They claim that 2024 paints a brighter picture, with the asset jumping back to around $100 in the latter half of the year. Number 2. Trading Beasts Prediction. Trading Beasts does daily predictions of different assets based on historical data and using a combination of linear and polynomial regressions. As a result, the platform has Litecoin predictions up to 2023. These predictions are more in line with Long Forecast, in that they're somewhat optimistic about the future of Litecoin, but not nearly as much as the Crypto Research Report. The group believes Litecoin will drop to $69 before the end of the year, averaging around there for most of 2021, before hitting a potential $80 in December. 2022 should see a slight but consistent increase, peaking at about $108 at the end of the year. That price increase should continue through 2023, peaking at around $133 come year's end. Number 3. Digital Coin Price Historical Analysis. Digital Coin Price, a site that makes its predictions based on historical data, also has an optimistic look at the future of Litecoin. The platform predicts Litecoin should hit $106 early next year, before falling a bit come February. However, Litecoin should be on a significant uptrend the rest of the year, remaining at or around the $130 mark, and peaking at $135 in November 2021. From there, Digital Coin Price expects $145 come 2022, though the asset may drop to $127 the 2 years afterwards. 2025 is predicted uptrend for Litecoin, hitting $144 and then $148 in 2026. That positive outlook is excellent for Litecoin investors and correlates with a lot of the potential positive press the cryptocurrency space should receive. Number 4. Crypto Research Report on Long-Term Litecoin Price Prediction. The Crypto Research Report, a top research group that publishes tons of analytics about the cryptocurrency space, has quite the optimistic view of Litecoin's future. The group expects Litecoin to hit $1,216 in 2025, then reach up to $2,300 by 2033, a significant price increase indeed. Interestingly, the group notes that off-chain transactions are on the rise, meaning that investors purchase Litecoin on exchanges like Coinbase and other spaces at an increasing rate. This could be seen as investors buying the assets to use as traditional currency, meaning they're buying goods and services with Litecoin and other cryptocurrencies. Litecoin Price Prediction 2021. So as we saw from these predictions and our observations, Litecoin is already off to a strong start in 2021, setting a new high over the 2020 peak. Last year, the altcoin broke out from a symmetrical triangle pattern and established its first higher high over the 2019 height. With both a higher low and a higher high put in, a retest of the asset's former all-time is due. If Litecoin corrects from here to further retest past support, it could result in a fall to $75 before a larger push higher. Litecoin Price Prediction 2022 to 2023. With Litecoin making a clear breakout and then building a base over the last 2 years of price action, it is assumed widely that an uptrend should follow. That means that there is a chance that after 2021, it could come to another extended bear cycle before similar price action establishes a bottom once again. But there won't be any risk of downside until Litecoin reaches well above $2,000 per coin. Litecoin Price Prediction 2024 to 2025. What goes up must come down, and after Litecoin sets a new high in 2021, or early 22, and then completes another bearish downtrend, it will be time for the cycle to restart and another base to build. Once the downtrend breaks, as is characteristic of all markets, another consolidation phase will make another ground for a subsequent bull market to begin. So what is the bottom line? Is Litecoin a good investment in 2021? Well, the cryptocurrency market is incredibly unpredictable. Trading Litecoin can be a rollercoaster of ups and downs. It's impossible to predict Litecoin's price to the T. That said, there's a lot of positive sentiment surrounding the asset, especially in the long term. As of now, most experts predict a higher Litecoin price as the years go on, even if it might take a couple of years for the significant hikes. Since more people are entering the cryptocurrency space than ever before, we are bound to see additional applications like Lightbringer come to the platform. This could mean a higher price on LTC sooner than expected. Litecoin's strength in the market frequently shows, as is the altcoin asset that most commonly leads rallies, and its recent halving helped pull Litecoin, Bitcoin, and the rest of the crypto market out of a bear market and into a bull market. With so much going on in Litecoin's favor, it is easy to see why analysts and industry experts have made such robust Litecoin price predictions. Using the facts and forecasts found in this guide, investors can determine if investing or trading Litecoin is right for them. Keep in mind that many consider this time to be crypto's early days, that we're bound to see massive price hikes over the next decade or so as the technology breaks into the mainstream. While we can't guarantee a profit, chances are investing in Litecoin now could result in significant gains down the line, assuming interest keeps rising. Of course, it's essential to do your own research before putting money into a cryptocurrency. The space is volatile and is bound to fluctuate as time goes on. We hope you found this video helpful. Thumbs up if you liked it, subs if you loved it, and see you in the next video.